Hello everyone on YouTube. Thank you so much for joining the Stock Martin channel. I have some great news for you today. NIO is the bomb and NIO is going sky high. I have really important news to tell you. It looks like NIO has a big potential for hitting $100 stock market price in the next few months, and I really think you're going to enjoy this video. And please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all so you can get all my videos, and thank you so much for watching. Last week and the past month of NIO has been an incredible climb up, and I'm really proud and happy to say that we have passed the $40 mark, and that's the first time in this month that we've actually broke through that ceiling. As of Friday after closing, we closed at $41.94. We were up 2.54%. From a low on May 13th was $31.22, and we have gone up just in about 1 month, a little less than 1 month, 34%. So amazing growth in NIO, and I think we're going to start seeing that bull run again. There's a lot of things that are going to be moving this forward. I think the chip shortage will start slowly getting better and improving on the production of NIO and also other EV and automakers. I came across this article, which is from Seeking Alpha, that says, can NIO stock reach $100? And analysts are now saying, as I have been saying, it's going to reach closer to $100, the next 12-month prediction. So this analysts say that we think it's a matter of when and not if, which is great news for all the stock traders out there that are holding NIO and holding NIO long. And so I wanted to touch up on a few things here that NIO has so much still potential to run up. And I think it's just a company that's just getting started. Remember, NIO has just recently produced its 100,000th EV vehicle, and so it's just getting started, guys, and this stock is going to be on fire. Just in the past year, we've had a 816% increase. We've peaked about $62 in early February, I believe February 13th. And then we've had that growth of stock sell-offs, and also technology got sold off. But we're starting to get that rebound. And as I showed you in that 1 month, in the past 1 month, we've gone up 34% in NIO alone, which is an amazing growth. And so let's take a look at why is NIO on its way to go to $100, and I think it has a very good chance of getting this in the next 12 months. And we're going to break it down into 3 major factors. The first factor, it has an amazing innovation approach. The company is very innovative. It's run by William Li. He's the CEO. It's a Chinese-based company, and they have a great innovation and customer service approach. They do have battery swap technology, and these are pretty much where you drive your vehicle up to this battery exchange system. You push a button, you can be in or out of the car will back itself up into the battery swap station, and it'll raise the vehicle up, it'll lower down the old battery, swap it out with a brand new fresh battery, and replace it back. NIO's very smart in its advertising of this, because they're also going to have battery as a service. So this is going to be a monthly fee where NIO is going to charge people monthly if, let's say, you do want to do these battery swaps all the time. So what the beautiful thing with NIO is you can either swap out the battery either once, or if you ever want to upgrade your battery. So let's say you bought the NIO vehicle with at its base price, you try to get a low price on the vehicle, you bought a low range battery, and then later on, let's say you wanted to buy more advanced and a superior higher range battery, you can always do that without having to trade in your car. You can just switch out the battery, which is an amazing strategy that NIO is doing. Well, they also have that battery swap as a service. So monthly you can pay up to $105 US, and you can have unlimited swaps during a month's time, which is great if you live in a really congested area such as China, and there's not a lot of places where you can go charge your vehicle. You can just go to these battery swap stations and swap your battery out for a fresh battery. In addition to their innovation, NIO is coming out with its autonomous driving in the next year, and we'll talk about that here a little bit more in this video. And also the second point is that they're expanding overseas. So they have a big strategy to go globally. They are starting with NIO Norway, which is in Oslo, Norway. And that's going to be coming at the Q3 of this year, 2021. So we're going to start seeing a lot of growth there as it's expanding into European markets. And hopefully in the next year or two, we should start seeing NIO branch out into the US market as well, if we have our fingers crossed. They already have an headquarters stationed in the United States in California, so it's something very well to watch. And its last and third thing is its global electrification, and it's boosting its evaluation, which I think is the third and most important thing that will help NIO stock grow. So let's take a look at this and go into it each individually. So as I mentioned, the first thing is its innovative technology. Here is NIO Power. You can see this is the exchange battery swapping station that I mentioned before. Here we have the NIO SUV, the ES8. It's premier SUV that's backed up into this battery swapping station. This is a lift right under the vehicle that will lift the vehicle up. It'll swap out the battery. It'll lower the vehicle and exchange its battery in the interim. The whole process takes about 3 minutes. It is an amazing fast product. NIO Power is also on your left here. You can see that they have their own charging systems that you can install in your house or in the companies or workplaces. And lastly, NIO is very big on customer service. They do have electrified vehicles that will come to your location and charge your vehicle as well, which is incredible customer service that not all EV companies, actually I don't know of any EV company that's doing that worldwide at this time. So as I mentioned, the battery swap technology allows NIO owners with a fast and convenient solution to concerns over typically limited travel range of their EVs. And this says it's similar to a gas station because you can swap out a dead battery to a fully charged battery in, like I said, under 3 minutes. The fully charged NIO battery can last up to 435 miles, which is quite a bit. If you're like me, you probably don't need to switch out a battery maybe once every 2 weeks. It's very convenient. Then also NIO has the option to subscribe, as I mentioned, to the battery as a service package. And this is a monthly subscription, and it provides NIO owners the ability to switch out or upgrade your battery on your personal needs. The company also has a standard 75 kilowatt battery that you can travel up to 310 miles on a full charge, but with an enhanced 100 kilowatt battery, you can have that range extended to 435 miles on a full charge. And both of these batteries are available on a month-to-month basis. So in addition to their infrastructure with its battery swapping stations, their charging stations, the company has also great innovation in autonomous driving and the first artificial intelligence technology in the vehicle, which is called NOMI. NOMI, if you've ever seen in the dashboard, is a circle. It has the 2 eyes, and it's an interface, artificial intelligence that can communicate with you both visually and listening to you. You can give it commands such as lowering the window of the driver's seat, and it will do these functions for you. NIO's been testing its autonomous driving system since 2016, and we got a big introduction into this whenever it was testing it on its performance roads, driving the very fast sports car, which the vehicle drove around the track on its own without a driver, exceeding, I believe, 180 miles an hour. It's super, super fast. NIO will have the autonomous driving as a service package on a monthly subscription, which will cost about $105 per month. As I mentioned, the second most important part about having NIO get to $100 by the end of the year is its global expansion. First starting in Europe with NIO Norway. As I mentioned earlier, NIO will be opening its first overseas sales and service center in Oslo, Norway in September, which is Q3 of this year. NIO's flagship SUV, known as the ES8, currently will be starting price of approximately $67,000, and it's going to be the first model introduced in the European market. The following year in 2022, it's going to have its newest full-size sedan, the ET7, which will be the one that will have the full autonomous driving. NIO as a company has had a historical performance, and we can see this by its vehicle production and its financial performance. This graph in blue shows NIO's revenue, and this is in millions, and their vehicle sold is in the light blue. As you can see, we've had an exponential growth of vehicle production looking at the last year's production numbers. As you can see, the vehicle production amount increases so rapidly that it's causing the revenue of NIO to expand exponentially as well. So lastly, to conclude, is that NIO has already established itself as a strong brand presence as a Chinese EV maker, and it has the fastest growing EV, representing more than 40% of global EV sales last year, and it's expected to continue to grow. Now let's look at some of the analysts, what they're saying about NIO out there. Some of the stock price forecasts have been upgraded recently, and this is according to CNN Money. Currently, NIO was trading at $41.94. As you can see, it's now been upgraded to a high of $91.97, so about $92, which is an increase of 120% from now. The average of the analysts was about $60 price target, with one analyst giving it a very low of $20, which I do not foresee in the next 12 months. These same analyst recommendations of about 14 analysts saying to buy, 5 saying to hold, and only one selling to sell. And that's the one that was mentioning the stock price could go down to $20, which I highly doubt. So as I mentioned, NIO does have its potential by the end of this year, or especially in the next 12 months, to reach $100. Let me know down in the comments below if you think that this stock will reach $100 sooner than this 12-month forecast. Let me know what you think. The last thing I wanted to show you is the shareholders that are holding NIO. Now, looking at the top 10 owners of NIO, you can see these are huge companies such as Bally Gifford, BlackRock Fund Advisors, the Vanguard Group. You see Goldman Sachs. You see a lot of banks are starting to put money into NIO because they know this company is going to grow and has a huge growth potential. Well, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments below, when do you think that NIO will hit that $100 stock price? Also, please give me that thumbs up. It'll share this video with others. It'll also put a big smile on my face. Please also subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button, then go to the notification bell and hit all. I'm trying to get at least 200 subscribers in the next month, so please help me out there by sharing this video with your friends and your family. Until next time, I hope you like this video and have a great day. If you use the link down below, it'll take you to Webull. If you deposit $100, you can get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. Also, using the link below, it'll take you to Coinbase. If you deposit $100, it'll give you $10 free in cryptocurrency trading.